In this factory, we build the McDonnell Douglas DC-10 jetliner. I'm Pete Conrad. I came to work here because I learned firsthand as a Navy pilot and astronaut about the kind of product this company builds. Spacecraft, fighters, jetliners. You can depend on them. The DC-10 is a prime example. We build the 10 with a remarkable combination of space-age automation and meticulous hand craftsmanship. It's one of the most thoroughly tested airliners ever built. It's been certified by the U.S. government. I think it's significant that the DC-10 has passed tests just as demanding in their own way as those required of U.S. Air Force fighters. Today, more than 300 DC-10s are in service, linking 90 countries, flying 1 million miles a day. The DC-10, I wouldn't put my integrity on the line for anything less.